The Remington 1-inch flat iron comes packaged in a box. On the front of the box is a picture of the flat iron, and on the side of the box lists the key features of the flat iron. To open the box, I had to use something sharp to detach the tape from the flap of the box. Inside, the flat iron is encased in a plastic bag, and the end of the power cord is inside some cardboard. The package also comes with a double-sided instruction manual that includes safety guidelines. The flat iron itself is black with purple-colored 1-inch floating ceramic plates. You'll see with the design of the unit, there is a 360-degree swivel cord that allows you to turn the flat iron in different angles as you use it. The flat iron has 3 slim buttons on the side, a power button and 2 other buttons that allows you to control the temperature of the iron when powered on. The button with the plus sign will increase the temperature. The button with the negative sign will lower the temperature. When plugged into the wall and powered on, I could feel the flat iron start to heat up immediately. The digital display screen located on the top indicates the temperature setting, which ranges from 310 degrees Fahrenheit to a maximum of 450 degrees Fahrenheit. I found the display quite small, and depending on the lighting, it may be difficult to read at times. However, I can see that the temperature can be lowered or increased by increments of 20 degrees. What I did find odd though is that you cannot power off the iron by pressing the power button. You would need to either unplug it from the wall or allow the 60-minute auto shut off to kick in.